Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix that 100% CPU usage on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So by the way, how can you know that you are already in 100% CPU usage? Right click at the start button and then select Task Manager in the list of options. Maximize this. On the left pane, click on Performance. Now here you'll find the CPU usage of your Windows. So if you are in 100% CPU usage, then we are going to fix that in this video. So let's close this. The first method, in the Windows search bar, type here, Services, Best Match. Go ahead and click that. Now here in the list of services, scroll down to letter S and look for a service named Sysmain. So it's either like Sysmain or Superfetch. Just make a right click and then select Properties. Startup type, if this is automatic, change this to disabled. If this is running, click on Stop, Apply, and then OK. Once done, close this window. Then right click at the Start button, select Device Manager, or you can just simply search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Then here in the Device Manager window, you need to look for the System Devices. Now let's simply scroll down. And here you'll find System Devices. Now here in the list of System Devices, look for the High Precision Event Timer, this one. Right click and then select Disable. So let me enable this first. And then make a right click on it and then select Disable. You need to disable the high precision event timer. Disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? Click on Yes. Once done, close this window. Then in the Windows search bar, type here Power. Now you'll have this Choose a Power Plan. That's one. So if you have the high performance and ultra high performance, then go ahead and click on that. But if you don't high performance and ultra high performance, then you can search for that and how you can enable the high performance or ultra high performance into your Windows. Or you can just simply click on balanced, this one. Then press the Windows key and R button together. Here you need to type TEMP. Click on OK. Now click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Click on Continue. Now once done, click on Do this for all the current times and then click on Skip. Then close this window and then make a right click at the Start button. In the list of options, select Task Manager. Now here in the Task Manager window, let's maximize this. On the left pane, click on Startup Apps. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup applications which are enabled on your Windows. Then what you're going to do here in the Startup Apps, you need to disable all the unnecessary startup applications on your Windows. So I'm going to disable this because this is unnecessary. You just have to make a right click and then select Disable. Do this for all the unnecessary startup applications on your Windows. Once done, close this window. And then finally, we are going to update our Windows. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, look for Windows Update. Now here in the Windows Update, you have to click on Check for Updates or download and install all updates. Or if it asks you to restart now, then you have to click on Restart Now because there is a pending restart right here. Once you have restarted your Windows, then all the updates will be downloaded and installed into your Windows. So you have to go and click on that. So once you have done all of the methods, just simply make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And once you have restarted your Windows, try to see if the CPU usage in your Windows has been decreased, because once it has been decreased, it will also boost the performance of your Windows and will make your Windows 11 run faster. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.